Two valves are for pussies.
Good morning, YouTubers. Just a little quick update. I was supposed to get my intercooler piping tomorrow, but the UPS guy came in clutch today because it is here. So now it's time to start fabbing up the cold side, or whatever you want to call it, the intercooler side for the throttle body. I'm just waiting on my blow-off valve so I can take it to my friend. That way he can start welding the flanges onto the new pipe. I'm out on the road right now. We're fixing to go get the truck vacuumed. Other than that, we should be able to come back home and find those packages in the mail for my blow-off valve and the connections for my fuel injectors. So for now, we're just gonna go give a good vacuum to the truck, vacuum it up. It's really dirty. I think it's time to clean it up a little bit, probably wash it as well.